Miss Geannie, just
Yes.
tell me about your experience then.
My experience was
veins.
just I just come in here just to see you. I make them bad just to come see you.
But tell me about the
Okay.
veins and what they were like when you first came,
Okay,
and
I will.
how we treated them,
Okay.
and how do you feel?
Okay, when I first came to doctor, my legs was terrible. They hurt. My feet stayed swollen for a year. Couldn't figure out what was going on, and my primary doctor recommended me to come here, and he is just absolutely wonderful. My legs are great. My grandson see the difference. I can wear my shoes now. For a year I couldn't wear shoes that was my size. I would have to get a size 11 shoe. Now I can wear normal shoes, and it's just great. I can see my legs rather than see veins all the time. I recommend anyone that's having vein problems to go to Dr. Barmada. He is fantastic. He really
Okay, well,
is.
thank you very much indeed, Miss Geannie. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes.